So let's look at how to make payment on Alibaba or 1688 using your mobile wallet. So the first thing is you need mobile money account. If you're using Airtel to go, you need Airtel mobile wallet. If you are using Telecel, you need Telecel cash account. And if you're using MTN, you need MTN mobile wallet. The next step is you need a virtual or MasterCard. So to get this virtual or MasterCard, I use GCB or any bank that give a virtual card. So this one that I'm using is a GCB virtual card, and it's very easy to create. If you don't have a GCB account, just go to Play Store or App Store and search for GCB. So this is the app here. You see I've already installed it, so they are telling me to open the app. If you want to use EcoBank, it's still the same thing, or any bank account that give a virtual card, you can use it. So I'm using GCB. The next step is I'll open my account. All is set, then you create your account. So I already have my account. What I do is I'll just log in into my account. So if you look here, you see I've logged into my account, and if you look at here, you can use this account for many purposes, but this one that we're going to do, we are going to just use our mobile wallet to make a payment. So now we have created our account, everything is set. The next thing is we need to deposit money. Okay, so for the deposit on this account, make sure you have your mobile wallet set and they have made a deposit onto your mobile wallet. So you go to transfer section right here, and if you look down here, the last one we have for wallet to bank. That means you are transferring from your mobile wallet to your bank. So I hit that one, and what I did is I used my mobile wallet on creating this account. So I connected my mobile wallet to this account. That make every transaction very easy and fast. The next thing, you hit on save transfer. If you don't want it and you want to use a different one, you can use a different number right here. At this section, I go to the provider. That means the network that you are using. So I'm using mobile money, and I'll enter the amount that I want to deposit. This is for demonstration purpose, so I will deposit 70 cedis right here. Then I hit on next. The next one is transaction narration, the reason that you are making this transaction. So I will say shopping, and then I hit on done. Then we hit on submit, right? So submit, you hit on confirm to confirm it, and they are going to prompt you to enter your PIN code, your mobile PIN code, to verify this payment. So I'll enter my code, right? So I'm done with the transfer. What I'm going to do is, you see messages popping up that I've made a deposit into my account, and this one, there's no deduction. They will not take any money from your account, or they will not deduct you. Right now we have made a deposit from our mobile wallet into this account. How can you make payment on any platform like Alibaba? So let me first head into my Alibaba account. So this is Alibaba. If you don't have it, you can go to Play Store and App Store and create your account. If I come to my account right here, you see I've made so many purchases here. Okay, I have a lot of purchases. If I go to messages, there are a lot of messages here. If you want us to take you through on how you can start importation using this Chinese platform, let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through everything step by step. So if I go to my account here and I go to settings right here, you see I've created my account, and let me go to the payment section right here. So I go to payments, and if you look at here, you see down here add a new card, right? And you don't have the card, so how can you get the card? If you look here, this is the card that I've been using right away. Okay, head back to your GCB account. This is my GCB account. Then go to card section right here and go to GCB virtual card, right? So this is my card. I already have a card here, and if I view it, you can see everything inside the card. So if you don't have the card, they will ask you to create a new card. Because I have a card, they are asking me to request for a new virtual card. So for me to request for this new virtual card, I'll go to request a new card, and this is or the prompt that will come out, and this card is being linked to my account. If I hit on submit, it will proceed and take me to the next step to create my account, and the account, everything will be create successful because you have already received your card. What to do to make the payment, because we have already transferred our money from MoMo into our bank account. Okay, so what I will do is what, to hit on the view card section. If I view the card section right here, so at this section you see top up here. Okay, let me hit on top up, and then this is the next section because you have already loaded your account with the money. So the next thing is you are going to put the money into your card. Then you enter the amount here, then the direction, the reason that you are making the transaction and stuff. Then you follow the prompt to add the money into your card right here. Note, any money, if you put the money inside the card, you are using this for shopping, you cannot withdraw. If you want your money back, you need to delete the card, then they'll send the money back into your account. If not, you cannot withdraw from this card because it's a virtual Visa card, not a MasterCard. You have done with everything right away. For you to make use of it on your Alibaba, you go to add a new card. This prompt will come out. You first enter your at 14 or 13 digit code right here at the top inside in your card, right? Then the name, your name that you have it on the card, your surname. Then we have the expiring dates of your card, you enter that one, and then the CVV number, that is the security code, you enter that one. Then you hit on submit. Everything is done, submitted, right? If you're making payment, let's say I want to make a payment of this, start right here. I come here and they have sent me a payment link right here. I'll just hit on it, and then for me to make the payment, this is my payment link. I'll just hit on the payment link and then proceed to it. They will take the money, the total sum of the money of the item that I want to purchase. They will take everything straightforward. If you look at here, this is the total sum of money that I'm going to pay, right? It's here. So if I proceed to it and I have that one in my card, they are going to take it. So this is how you can use your mobile wallet on making payment on this platform. And our next method, I will show you how you can use the Alipay platform to make a good transaction on any of the platform. If this video gives value to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have a question, put it in the comment section, or join our importation academy to get everything about importation. See you in the next video. Shalom.